Want to support your favorite charity or organization by fundraising on Instagram? We can help you out. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to host a fundraiser on Instagram. Now let's get started. To create a fundraiser on Instagram, start by creating a new Instagram post with a photo or video. When you get to the posting stage, tap Add Fundraiser. Choose the nonprofit you'd like to support. Then add a goal amount you'd like to raise for them. If you'd like, you can invite your Instagram friends to participate in the fundraiser and help you support your organization of choice. To do this, tap Invite Collaborators. Your friends will have the option to accept your invite to join the campaign or not. When you're finished, tap Done. Finally, tap Share. Your followers will be able to see and donate to your fundraiser from posts you've tagged it in, as well as directly from your profile. 100% of the money raised will go directly to the nonprofit you've chosen to support. That's all it takes to start a fundraiser on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.